Yo, what is good, people? So, as you can probably see, well, you can't probably tell, but I'm in Miami and it's been a vibe. Would you get horny over what I said? I've been here for a week, and when I travel for the first week I go anywhere, I love to go out, catch up with friends, network, party and get the feel for the vibe. Now I'm getting back to business, so I'm going to hit the gym hard. I've got my app coming out very soon, exciting news, but in the meantime we're going to check into my apartment, which I'm going to vlog. As you know before as well from my social media, my Instagram and Snapchat, etc. I was in LA before and I didn't really get a chance to vlog it because it was just a really short, quick trip. I mean, it was very fun, but if you follow my Instagram, you would have seen all the pictures. I want to give a big shout out as well to Jeremy Fragrance. I got introduced by a friend, he's actually here, the crazy guy himself. Wyatt.
Power, baby! I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you. I know you were right, believing for so long. All right, hey guys, I love you. Power!
So basically, when I get to Miami, I got introduced to Jeremy. We didn't know each other, and Jeremy was renting one of his apartments, and it's pretty dope. It's on the water next to the bridge what goes up. What location is this?
It's downtown. It's Venetian Causeway.
As you know, Jeremy probably got the craziest, best energy ever. His work ethic is crazy, and as you can see, his apartment has got all of his fragrances. He's actually got his own fragrance as well. This is yours, yeah?
Yeah, all the black ones.
Office for one, and he's got a massive range, so go check it out. You can sit behind fragrance one. So I'm gonna enough talking now, but yeah, massive thanks to Jeremy for hosting, and yeah, let's go. Afternoon. So we're at the apartment.
What does it say?
Hope you brought wine. Wow, okay. I mean, I'm trying to cut right now because I've got this retreat on the 7th of July, which is very fun and I'm going to speak more about. So I won't be drinking wine anytime soon, but I'm going to give you a room tour because this is like probably one of the best apartments I've ever stayed in. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Look at all the designer shit.
What I love about this apartment is just so clean and modern. You've got ivy on the fucking counter, that's so sick. And then the lovely lady who rented her, because basically in Miami, everyone is in demand for apartments in this apartment. It was a lot, to be honest, it was $5,000. Miami is so busy. We just had the crypto week, so there's a lot of people with money in town. It's just like peak season, the weather's absolutely amazing. Yeah, she left these. And again, I said I was cutting, but I had to try it. Oh my God, they're so good. And for some reason, she knew I love cinnamon, and their cinnamon. So mad. And then I've got my boys here. I've got Yoda, and I've got, I don't know what to call you yet, but Princess Maya. Let's go with that. And then we've got another bathroom in there. There's another bed gonna come in here soon. We've got Josh who's filming behind the camera. We've known each other for at least maybe half a year for other people, and then we finally met, and then we moved here, so the line's back. And then we connected more in Dubai, and we just stayed together, like he's been in LA with me, spent a week with Jeremy Fragrance. By the way, that guy, when he was singing next to me, he's crazy. Like, I've never met anyone like him. Like, he's harmless, like he's a good guy, but I thought I was crazy, but he's absolutely crazy. He's like crazy good though, crazy good. But yeah, and then after a week, we've got my friend Mia, she's gonna join. We actually met in Dubai, and she lives in Miami, and she wanted to rent a place. And then the 7th of July, I've got the finish retreat. So from this little video of doing the tour and an update on life, we're gonna go to this event later. It's like a crypto/influencer event.
You bring this?
Yeah, I am. I'm bringing you guys with this fucking trip. And we're gonna absolutely send it. Please, like, subscribe, like, comment, give me advice, give me feedback, everything helps, because I'm not gonna improve and I'm actually enjoying it. I wanna film more and I need more ideas, like ask questions, do anything you want. In the meantime, I'm gonna unpack, get used to the home, and I'll see you guys when we're getting ready to go to the event, baby. See you later. Yo, so before I go out, before I get ready, which I will show, people always ask what I do for my hair, my skin, etc. So when I get a shower, I'm not hugely consistent, but I wish I was a bit more. But I use this Simply Gel Clean Refining Cleanser, a water gel based, and it gets all the dirt off your face. And after, I use this facial aloe vera, cucumber and green tea toner. I never used to use a toner, but as I'm getting older and I get a lot of sun, I like to keep after my skin. Shampoo, I try not to wash it too much because it's not good for your hair to wash it too much, but because I've dyed my hair, I've got to use the silver shampoo. By the way, you have to use a toner. I use H2O Ultra Hydrating Water Gel. It's a water-based moisturizer, it's so good. And then also, if it's sunny out, I'll use a factor 30 on my skin, but it's just off the pharmacy. I try and get the natural products because obviously in these creams, they put a lot of shit in it. If it's really hot, which it is in Miami, I'll use a factor 50. To smell good, I use Ombre Nomad by Louis Vuitton. This is one of my favorites, it's very oody. A few sprays of that and you will definitely get laid. No spray, no lay. Sometimes this, factor 30 for your lips. Urban matte wax, this is my favorite wax, but unfortunately they don't sell it in America, I don't think. So luckily I reached out to them via Instagram and they're gonna send me some out, luckily. What else? A roller for the underarm. Sometimes I'll use Hydra Essential Water Gel. Like if I've got a lot of sun, I'll make sure I put that on to hydrate my skin overnight. I mean, that looks like a lot of products, but it actually isn't. They're just the basics to look after your skin. I've only recently took self-care and self-love a bit more serious recently as I'm grown up. I don't want to look 50 when I'm 30. And then finally I'll use this Cocoa Radiant Butter, which smells so fucking good. And then sometimes a bit of bio oil. Bio oil is good for your skin. It gets rid of basically scars and stuff, smooths your skin. And it's also good for a cheeky massage. Enough talking, I'm gonna get ready now and we're going to this event. It's gonna be sick. Let me know in the comments what else you wanna know. Obviously, I want to tell you information and show you stuff what's going to help you to learn and get inspired by. As I told you in the previous vlogs, very lucky to where I've been now, and I used to dream of what I've got and what I'm doing now. And who knows how long it might last? Could be forever, could be 2 years. You never know what's around the corner. But gotta keep pushing and we're gonna keep getting it. Good vibes only, and anything is possible. Don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot, honestly, and I'll keep doing this more once I do get more subscribers and more love. So yeah, enough talking. Let's get ready. Let's get ready to rumble. So I'm not actually quite too sure where we're going and where we're at, but we're somewhere in Miami and we're going to an event which is full of influencers and crypto people, so it's going to be fun.
The event is in Jungle Island, it's like a block down.
So how do we get it?
So we arrived at the wrong place, so we're going to walk down here and we'll see what's going on in Miami, baby. We've arrived at the shuttle, got my boy here.
Hey man, we out here, man. Hey, Swag Boy Q, man. Y'all know the vibes. Here's my cameraman right here,
This
bro.
is my camera compared to that camera. Jeez, you shit on me, bro.
Hey, what's up, man?
You look cool, man.
With their little Haiti coin.
Can we swap outfits?
We have our own crypto now.
Jeez, okay.
Each time that you sponsor the cleanup of Little Haiti in Miami, you receive one Little Haiti coin in return.
Oh, dope.
So you do some good, you get
What's your name? What's your name?
Captain Haiti. You can find me on Instagram.
Good to
Captain
meet you,
Haiti.
brother. man behind the whole thing. What's going on, brother? Introduce yourself.
Brandon, dude.
He's a fucking legend. He's the this wouldn't happen if it wasn't for Brandon. He brings all the baddies here,
Crypto.
makes shit happen. Let's go.
Dang it! Everybody got a boyfriend in Miami.
Everybody in Miami is white.
Baby, I'm famous as hell. I mean, in my head, in my dream, I'm not really famous.
Fucking cryptocurrency. Hey, shout out to all y'all. Y'all the real rock stars. Appreciate y'all.
What would you say is the best line to pick up a girl? If I came to you and I was trying to hit on you, how would you get horny over what I said?
For me, I would say, "What's up, shawty? I like your style." I think for me.
I'll be like, yo, babes, nice to meet you. I'm Max. What's your name? Where you from?
What's your number?
No, that's just the basics. That's like basics. It's always best to go straight to the point. Okay, if you want to fuck, you gotta take the girl out to lunch first. You're a very attractive girl. Like, you want to go to lunch. You want to take the girl to lunch first. Have some manners.
Why not dinner?
Huh?
Why not dinner? Why
Okay, dinner is nice.
Well, listen, what your names? Tell the people your names.
Eva Javadi,
Eva Javadi and
Judea Rose.
Judea Rose.
And that's how you pull a girl in Miami. So basically, I can't speak Spanish, but she's gonna teach me in Miami. It's a pleasure meeting you. Are you having a good night? It's been a crazy night. I will speak in more detail what it is tomorrow because I actually don't know in detail what it actually is. Yo, what you're saying? So got back to the apartment. Absolute sick night. Like I said, I'll go into more detail tomorrow with what the event was about. But I want to share with you what actually is involved with the event. I've had a few drinks, nothing too crazy. I've been trying not to drink. I mean, Miami's very hard to say no, but I've got good willpower to do that. So yeah, I walked in this apartment. I literally looked at the view and I was like, you know what? I'm so lucky to be where I am right now. And life is too short. You got to live it. You got to get out there, get yourself out there. I told you before, anything is possible. I was in a small city back at home, working stupid hours, doing fuck all with my life, and I got myself out there and I'm here now. God knows how long it's gonna last, but hopefully it lasts forever. Who knows? But we're gonna go to, I think, Komodo, is it? I don't know. But either way, I'm gonna get some snaps.
Kick it shit like Bruce Lee. Kick it shit like Bruce Lee. Kick it shit like Bruce Lee.
Good morning. It is 11 a.m. and yeah, it was a crazy day and night. From the app, which was through the party yesterday, it's an app which you can use to share your content and then get paid in crypto, I think. Yeah, I do need to look into it a bit more, but it's the Year 8 app and this is it on Instagram. Look, let me show you. And there was actually some big influencers and lots of hot Latinas there. It was very fun, as you saw the Snapchats. Just a crazy day in Miami. Miami is just full of good vibes and energy, lots of partying. I found Miami is very hard to stay focused, especially in gym world and bodybuilding world. I didn't really want to drink yesterday and I did definitely have a few. But you know what, life's for living and I'm not doing it every day, so it's all good. I've got my superfoods here now. So I've got my pesto chicken with like tomatoes, spinach and everything. I've got my mug which says get after it. Good little motto of the day. And I've got my ivy plant here which is just very nice. I will call it a day on this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. Get my Snapchat, it's Max Wyatt. I'll put the tag right here and right there. Subscribe and hopefully we can crack on with some more vlogs. I'm excited. I'm actually going to the fight on Saturday, which is like the Austin, Broom and Bryce Hall, which is crazy because they're YouTubers and obviously Logan Paul and Mayweather had their fight last week. But I'm gonna vlog the whole experience. I think I've got some good seats. Yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you on the next vlog, baby.